Not quite able to do pull-ups yet? Let me show you how to use the lat pull-down accessory to build up your strength so you can do pull-ups. We'll go ahead and do it from the left-hand side. We've got our bench here already. We'll hook the lat pull-down here. Pull this out, raise this up. Go ahead and center our bench. And here you have it. You can set your weights in the back to what you want. Wide grip. Back straight. Lean back. And pull. Now, if you wanted, you could also do a straight arm pull from here. It's just a couple ways you can use the lat pull down bar to help work, so you can work up to doing pull-ups right here on the machine itself. Be sure to check the link in the description for the Major Fitness Drone 1 Power Rack that you see here. This is one of many attachments, and we'll cover the others in other videos. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe as well for more videos on how to use the accessories on the Major Fitness Drone 1 Power Rack.